Hey everyone, it's Greg, otherwise known as Bean from the channel Bean and Bagel. If you're new, typically my wife and I, we talk about food. We upload about 1 to 2 times a week if that interests you and you want to follow the channel. Today, however, I'm talking about the SENIX 58-volt lithium-ion cordless electric lawnmower. I needed to get a new lawnmower. I didn't want the traditional gas one because I've had that before. I couldn't afford the really cool autonomous ones. So I settled on the electric one because I like technology and gadgets and electronics and all that kind of stuff, and I just wanted to try something new. And I thought it might just be helpful for those that are curious about this lawnmower, because when I was looking at it, I couldn't find a lot of videos on it. So maybe you'll find it useful to actually see what it looks like, what it sounds like, and that kind of stuff. So let's get into what's in the box and we'll go from there. Alright, so this is what's in the box. Looks like you have your manual here with some attachment pieces and such. Get your battery charger. Again, this is a 58-volt battery for this mower. Looks like here's your other battery. And I bought an extra battery because I wanted one. Nothing worse than mowing the lawn and then the battery dies. I actually found the extra battery at a fairly reasonable price compared to competitor brands. The battery I found was 60 bucks and competitors are about 120. So I was pretty happy about that. I was happy that it was 58 volts too. And then you have your bag here. Looks like you have your handle. Oh, and this thing comes with a safety key, which is kind of nice. And you got your trigger there, push button deal. It's got a little handle here on the engine housing. You can just lift it up. You got blade adjustment right here, which is kind of nice. It's kind of convenient that it's right on top there. And then right here, you know, of course, 58 volt label, SENIX, and then you put the battery in right here. The batteries actually have a level, so like you hit it and it'll tell you how much is left on it, which is kind of nice. I've read reviews for other ones that don't have that, so pretty cool if this one is rare in that sense. So yeah, let's take it out, we'll put it together, see what it's like as far as what it sounds like and what it looks like put together. Alright, so there it is, all put together. Kind of looks like a miniature Indy car. Has a cool kind of look to me. My only concerns right off the bat are that the housing itself, it's plastic, so we'll see how that does over time. And then these wing attachments here, I don't have a lot of confidence in those. I might replace those with the traditional mower type that are all steel. It is steel here, but this is plastic, and just don't have a ton of confidence in that. The blade itself on the mower is steel, however, so no concerns there. And then of course, this is the deal where you pop it open, see the battery in there, push the button, gives you the indicator. far as how to start it, you got to make sure this key right here is in. And then you'll push the button and hold the lever, and then you'll hear like a click. And then after a few seconds after that click, it'll start on its own. Try to do it here with one hand. So it's pretty kind of cool actually. No more yanking on the pull string, ripping your shoulder out of socket, the first mow of spring. And then the grass catcher here has a little window there. You can see the grass, you know, if it gets plugged up or whatever. It also has an indicator here. So like the air blows through, and when it's all full, it collapses in, so you know that it's full and you need to take it out. This little guy comes off pretty easy. And then you can look at the window there, maybe a better angle. There. And you can see inside there. I put it together fairly quickly, it wasn't hard. So as far as having not used it yet, I think it's kind of cool, and we'll see how it does over time. All right, let's see the sound differences between these two beasts. I can already tell I'm not going to miss this. So you can see the time saving difference in starting them. Now this guy. There you go. Have a good day.